Hello and welcome to this quick Houdini tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate two things here, a problem and a solution. The problem when it comes to rendering pre-fractured glass is right from the onset, the fractured pieces shows up in the render. It doesn't show you a clearly transparent glass. And how do you go about this? Houdini has two nodes to solve that problem. Before the glass falls, you can see the pre-fractured pieces in the glass. Now you can see every piece in there is visible right from the beginning. And then the solution, a clearly transparent glass until it drops down, breaks up and drops down. All right, so let's get into Houdini. I'm in my Solaris contest, and then as you can see, it's a simple setup. I have my deck which the background, and then I make a few edits, prune some off, and this bottle here I only make visible to the reflection in this render visibility, just for me to have this this reflection in this side of the glass. It adds to the beauty of everything. And then my lights, and then a few cameras here, and then the Solaris. So that is it. Now let's get straight to business. So in my glass situation, let me turn off everything, hide other context. Okay, so basically this is how I did my glass, blah 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 blah. You can have you can make a glass right from scratch like I've done here, and you can equally use an asset from Sketchfab or anywhere else. So let's get straight to the point. This is the fractured bit using RBD material fracture, and let me use exploded view for you to see the pieces. Exploded view. In this situation. Alright, so these are my fractured pieces. I have cached the animation, so let me use that instead of allowing it to cook all over again. Hit play, and then it breaks down. Okay, now the solution, the two nodes that I mentioned are RBD connected faces and RBD disconnected faces. And in this situation, because I'm dealing with glass, it is very important for me to drop those two nodes. Now without it, it is just a regular sim. And then you drop the RBD connected faces node. You do nothing to it. Leave everything at default. And then you drop the disconnected faces. The only change you have to make here is change the mode. This is when you drop it, this is the default, create attributes. And now if you want that problem solved, you just use the delete connected. That's it. As simple as that. But let me show you the difference here. Let me drop a clip node. Clip node underneath this. Let's do X or Y. Okay. So let's see the difference here. You know, before the RBD disconnected faces, the clip node is placed here. And as you can see, every bit is seen on the inside. The glass is not entirely hollow. Because everything is not hollow, you can see all the fractured pieces right from the beginning before it even breaks down. And so let's see the clip node after the RBD disconnected faces. As you can see, everything is deleted. Now the fractured pieces begins to show only when they are disintegrated and not when it is not disintegrated. So the solution is simple. Drop an RBD connected faces before your sim or before the animation, and then drop the RBD disconnected faces after the sim or the animation, and then make sure you choose connected faces. Now if I leave it on default, it is still the same. As you can see, it's still the same. But the moment you choose delete connected, and then everything goes away. So RBD connected faces and RBD disconnected faces, the solution for rendering very transparent glass.